In this tutorial, we're going to look at the property sort feature. This will allow you to sort your records that you have in a current found set by using the sort option located at the top right. If you wish to sort the properties suburb A to Z, Z to A, from price high to low, or date added from new to old or old to new, simply select the option given to you in the drop down. When you have selected a sort option, you can then use more filters and it will keep that sort. So we can see here that the sort is still new to old. If I want to change this to be suburb A to Z, we can see that it will maintain the filter I've selected and also the sort option that we've selected. If you would like it to be for all properties, you can then remove your filter by clicking back on it, and we can see that the sort will still maintain from A to Z. If you need to refresh your sort back to your normal list of properties, click the dashboard option, select the properties to refresh it back to the normal list.